We'll guide you through how to download and install the Tubi app. You can follow this on an iPhone, an Android, another phone, it doesn't matter. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is convenient to go and have because you can go and stream movies and shows there. To get started, you need to go and make sure you've got a connection to the internet, whether that's via Wi-Fi, mobile or cellular data. Open up your phone store. On an Android, that's the Play Store. On an iPhone, that can be the App Store, etc. But open it up. Then what you want to do is you want to head down to the bottom and you can go and find the search and you want to go and tap that there, like so. Now come to the top where it says search and tap. Type in Tubi and search. And as you can see, here it is, Tubi. So what you can then do is you can go and press install there or press install to the right. And you then want to go and wait for this to complete. It shouldn't go and take too long. You can see that it's now pending. Shortly it will go and be downloaded. It's now installing. And when it finishes, that counts as changes to open. What we can then do is also go and swipe up and find it. You may just swipe across, tap and hold your finger on it, and you can press add to home. You can tap on it and we can get started. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video for more.